So we're at Sonora Elementary, and this is the new wheelchair swing. It's a freedom glider that we were able to purchase using our HAR-BER funding. They can serve any student in a wheelchair. We have them at 6 buildings across the district. We're very lucky to have these.
We have about 35 students in wheelchairs in the district, and each year it seems to grow. And this just gives those students an outlet and things to do during their PE or recess. Students are typically pushed onto the glider, and it's got the hooks like in a bus, so they're the safety hooks, and they lock them down so they can't roll off. And then the back part comes up for an additional safety part, and then they just start swinging.
Yeah, there's more!
Logan is nonverbal, so he doesn't talk like other people, so you don't really know what he's feeling day to day. So when you can see him really happy, you know he's enjoying himself. And so for us, it's just any chance I get to have him laugh and smile is just amazing for me. And every time he gets on that swing, he's having a great time.
Hi!
I'm really proud of our district for getting these wheelchair swings. It's not something that everybody has, so we're really grateful. It opens up a whole new world for some kiddos that might not be able to swing. We're so thankful for maintenance. We worked on positioning the swing just right. We didn't want them facing a wall. We wanted them to be able to see the whole playground. It worked out really well, and they've got a great view, and days like this, it's the best.
Logan now has the chance to come out here to the playground, and they have the swing set up perfectly for kids like him in a wheelchair. I wouldn't dream of having Logan anywhere else than right here at Sonora.